Om Sai Ram. In total gratitude to Baba, I Pooja Garg, the so-called founder of the Global Mahaparayan, thank all of you for coming forward and making this Global Mahaparayan possible. I say so as I am called founder by people, but in real sense, and my soul too knows and fully believes that Baba is only the true founder of this divine platform of Global Mahaparayan. Hope with each passing Thursday, all of you are enjoying the reading and getting closer to Baba and feeling and experiencing His presence. You all would be happy to know that what we started with 48 devotees locally is now reaching its first milestone of 559,872 devotees globally connecting all the 5 continents. All glory to Sai Baba. We thank all of you for coming forward and making it a grand success with all your support, devotion and dedication. Thank you for staying committed. We are yet short of 50,000 devotees, but with Baba's grace, we shall achieve it. On 27th September 2021, Baba through his beautiful Leela showed a pyramid structure to achieve the goal. In the coming week, I would be soon sharing the detailed post about it on the blog. Don't miss that post, and we need many volunteers to take up some seva, so please do come forward to work on Baba's MP Pyramid project. Please hear this announcement completely as we would be covering the following points. First point, unique offering to Baba this Dasera. Second point, food donation on 7th October 2021. Third point, stay alert with money matters and frauds. Fourth point, Baba's Leelas and Thanksgiving. Fifth point, few guidelines regarding Vishnu Sahasranam and Stavan Manjari for 14th October Thursday. Now let us consider the first point. Unique offering to Baba this Dasera. You all know that this year's Dasera is special as it falls on 15th October when Baba took his Mahasamadhi. Yes, this year the date and Tithi are coinciding just as in 1918. So as this Dasera is very special, let us do something unique or special for Baba. In 1918, we all know that Baba had gifted Lakshmi Bai 9 coins of Navavidha Bhakti. So same way, why not we offer Baba Dakshina of 9 coins in form of 9 members or participants for Mahaparayan? With your little contribution of Dakshina of 9 coins of Navavidha Bhakti or at least 2 coins of Shraddha and Saburi, that is enlightening 2 or 9 souls on this path, can help us achieve a milestone this Dasera with Baba's blessings. Later, still a long way to go as figure shown by Baba is 604,66176. With all Shraddha and Saburi and each one of you contributing, we will definitely reach it with Baba's blessings. So don't forget to offer your unique Dakshina to Baba for this Dasera. No matter what and how many flowers or garlands, chappan bhog you offer to Baba, but Baba will definitely pleased with your this unique offering of 9 coins of Navavidha Bhakti or 2 coins of Shraddha and Saburi in the form of Mahaparayan members. After all, walking on Sai path and making others walk is also a seva. Let us now come to the second point of Maha Annadan. Last year, Baba through his Leelas taught us that whenever we complete some Parayan or part, we should donate food as per our capacity. Doing this, the strength of our prayers multiplies. So as on 7th October 2021, we would be completing season 4 and offering our 108 Parayans at Baba's lotus feet. Let us donate food, which was so very dear to Baba. MP is a global mass prayer. So Mass Parayan with Mass Annadan with love will definitely please Baba and make it Maha Annadan. You may donate food as per your capacity. It may be raw or cooked food to 100 persons or even 1 person. It may be poor people or animals or birds. Please donate food on 7th October. Annadan is one of the biggest dan in Kali Yuga as also stated in Sat Charitra chapter 38. So please donate food and inspire others also to do, whether they are part of MP or not. If possible, also do Naam Jap for few minutes at Baba loves it. You can chant Om Sai Ram for 20 minutes for Mahasamadhi Naam Saptah of 9 days from 7th October to 15th October. Please note, Naam Jap and Annadan is your choice and not compulsory. But if done with love, then it would definitely please Baba. Let us now see the third point, that is stay alert with money matters and frauds. Please do not entertain anyone in money matters. We do not take any money for anything. Some people with false stories and sympathy are grabbing money in name of Sai for health, food, school fees and whatnot. Some might be genuine, but still we cannot judge. So we request you not to entertain such things, and if you come across anything like this, do mail us on complaintsmahaparan@gmail.com, or you may WhatsApp on +4479 100 to Kavita Kumar, who is the case investigation officer. Strict legal action would be taken and they would be removed from all the MP groups. Please do not misuse this noble platform in any way. Now let us consider the next point, Baba's Leelas and Thanksgiving. MP is Mahaparayan Amrit Kam. Yes, when you rearrange these 19 letters of 3 words, Ram, Kanhaiya, Paramatma, it becomes Mahaparayan Amrit Kam, as told by Baba to Sajal ji in dream through the puzzle. You may refer to the complete post on the blog experiences.mahaparayan.com. On the blog, you will find so many beautiful, unbelievable Leelas that have taken place past 4 years. Be it pregnancy, job, home, success, visas, permanent residencies, health, marriage, relationships, wish fulfillment, business and finance matters. Diseases like cancer have also got surrendered and got cured by Baba's grace. Lives have completely changed for so many of them. Baba has even come in dreams and guided people for joining Mahaparayan and serving there. He has even scolded for false reporting of chapter reading. On one hand, he has guided someone to volunteer for reading chapters on Thursday, whereas even scolded few when they got their chapters volunteered. Really, his ways are inscrutable. They sound unbelievable, but they are the reality. So all this shows that Mahaparayan is just not reading 2 chapters, but much beyond that, as Baba himself is the director of Mahaparayan. Power of group prayers is beyond our imagination. Larger the group, stronger and effective it is. So please do not exit the group thinking that you will do it on your own. Group prayers work wonders. In case if you want to exit, then please give a replacement or inform 2 months prior. When you have read so long, another 2 months definitely you can read. This will help us to streamline everything smoothly, as in 2 months we can find your replacement. You never know, as that in those 2 months Baba will make you realize his presence and his will. It's a matter of just 30 minutes every Thursday which can change your life. So please have Shraddha and Saburi. Lastly, on behalf of entire global MP team, I would like to thank each MP participant as you became part of this great movement, Mahaparayan guided by Baba. You all gave us an opportunity to do something good and serve Baba and Samasta Loka as Baba himself had told Somya ji. That who said Mahaparayan is only for human beings. It is for Sakala Jiva Jantu Koti. You not only read 2 chapters for yourself, but make so many parayans on behalf of each and everyone, and thus responsible to add so many positive vibes across the globe every Thursday. Congratulations for your steady faith and patience. I would also like to thank every captain who plays a very vital role in coordinating the 12 members. Then of course every class teacher, vice principal, principal, chief, co-chief, superintendent, vice superintendents, and also the main pillars of Mahaparayan like Chandrasekhar ji, Silki ji, Uma ji, Jaya ji, Jayanti ji, Aarti ji, Murli Krishna ji, Gayatri ji, Gauri ji, Lavina ji, Rahul ji, Pooja ji, Rajya Lakshmi ji, Nipun ji, Mangala ji, Sai Jayashri ji, Sri Rupahari ji, and many more for being instrumental and strong pillars of global Mahaparayan team. Practically not possible to thank thousands of Baba's Sevaks involved. So please forgive me if I have missed your name. Lastly, thank you Hetal ji for your guidance and support, Kriti ji, Shweta ji, Dipti ji, Amita ji for your beautiful creatives, Sajal ji, Parnika ji and Murli ji for handling the MP YouTube channel so well, Silki ji and her team for handling the teleconfirmation department, Ritu ji for her beautiful podcast, Ananya and Ashvi ji for Instagram, and Ashwini ji for managing the MP pages on Facebook and Twitter, Kavita Kumar ji as a CIO, and also for helping in editing the experiences for the MP blog. I am also very grateful to Baba for blessing me with wonderful parents, in-laws, husband Rahul and kids Saiva and Saish, as without their support and help, the journey would have been very, very difficult. Last but not the least, a sweet old man for initiating this Mahayagna in this Kali Yuga to burn our sins, vices and bless us with the warmth of his blessings and love. It's just not with money and charity that we can serve Baba, but we can also serve him by giving our valuable time by either being a participant or volunteering for any of his various sevas and thus contribute to the universe, which is easy compared to other sadhanas. Investing your 30 minutes every Thursday is like a premium you pay for an insurance policy, but the only difference is that here we ourselves get the benefits birth after birth, unlike general life insurance policy where we don't get anything after our birth even in this life. So hope you will enlighten more souls for investing their maximum 30 minutes in a coming up year. May Baba bless all, and without his will, not a leaf will move. It takes courage to make good things happen. Thanks for being courageous. Keep doing Parayan, and good things will surely happen and have already started happening. We just need to have Shraddha and Saburi and trust in his perfectly perfect timings. Jai Sai Ram. Please note, Season 5 starts on 15th October, Friday, on the auspicious occasion of Vijayadashmi. Thursday, 14th October, there will be no Parayan as back-to-back Parayan would be difficult for the volunteers to manage. But we will take up reading or hearing of Vishnu Sahasranam and Stavan Manjari on 14th October, Thursday. Do offer your dakshina of 9 coins in form of 9 members for Mahaparayan and also motivate others to do the same. If not 9, then at least Guru Dakshina of 2 coins of Shraddha and Saburi. May this Dasara remove all the evil obstacles and Sai Ram keeps lighting your path of success and bless us with victory, dignity and success. Next week, there would be another announcement that would be shared regarding guidelines to Mahaparayan and few more things. It's a request to go through it at least once and get answer to your queries. Please like, subscribe and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, podcast and YouTube channel. Follow and spread the goodness. Come forward and take up some seva and it will come back to you many folds. Keep doing Parayan and good things will surely happen and have already started happening too. All glory to Sai. Jai Jai Ho Sai.